Hello everyone, welcome to our new video from Himal Courier. Today I am going to show you how you can send cargo or import them to the UK from around the world. We also do courier services, but you need to send us all the details, so make sure you don't quote without actual details of your courier. First of all, let's go to our website himalcourier.com. At first, you can see a small form section where you can select either express courier, economy courier, air cargo, sea cargo, or you can even import the goods. Here you need to type the location, where do you want to send, type the city name, type postal code. I'm just typing random information. And here you need to type the dimensions of your box, and that is the length, width, height, and you also need to provide the actual weight and the volumetric weight of your box. Make sure the weight is in kilogram and the other dimensions should be in centimeter. For example, I'm typing some random data. After you type these three boxes, your volumetric weight will be shown automatically, and here you can type the actual weight of your box. This is the actual weight and this is the volumetric or dimensional weight, and you will be charged according to the highest one. If your volumetric weight is more, then you will be charged according to this weight, and if your actual weight is more, then you will be charged according to your actual weight. Suppose if the volumetric weight is 25, then you will be charged according to this. But now if the actual weight of your box is 40 kgs, then you will be charged according to this. And you can also add the box and even remove them as well. After that, you can click on quote and we will get the informations about your boxes and we will get back to you with a proper quotation. You can also choose other options, economy courier, but for this we are doing for 3 countries only for now, but we are planning to expand to other countries as soon as possible. Air cargo, you can also select this option, sea cargo, and you can even import from other countries to the UK. Currently we are focusing for the cargo above 100 kgs, so you will get the quotation for that by quoting. For the cargo below 100 kgs, the prices may be high and you may email or message us on social media for more information about those. We also do the services for cargo less than 100 kgs, but we don't do cargo for 20 or 30 kgs. In that case, we send them using the DHL or any other courier. Make sure you provide all the right details, otherwise the pricing may differ. Sometimes what happens is people call us directly for informations about the cargo, but you don't require to do that as all the informations are present on our website, so you don't need to call us directly as it would be just a waste of time for both of us. So please check our website before you contact us. Now if you move slightly downwards, you can check out the FAQs, which is the frequently asked questions, where you will find the answers to some very important questions like how we work, our services, and there are many other informations as well. You can check them out from our website, and below that you can check the volumetric weight of your box. This is for DHL courier, this is for cargo, and this is for other courier. You can simply type the information and get the volumetric weight. Now we have made some videos on YouTube for your assistance. You can check them out as well. Simply click on one of those videos. Simply click on the video and you can get all the informations you want. You can also check our channel for even more videos. Now if you go further down below, you will find the courier shop. For cargo shipping, the most important part is the proper packaging. So for your ease, we have kept the essentials here. At our shop, you can buy directly through our website if you are here in the UK. If you are outside the UK also, you can check your nearest store or shop online through Amazon. These are some important things while packaging. So simply click on one of the items and you can buy it from here. There are options as well. You can choose from one of them. You can also go to our shop from menu as well, and you will find all the required materials here. Now let's get back to our home section. On the footer section, you will find some important links like terms and conditions, prohibited items, which are the most important thing, and we will discuss about them at the last. You will also find some forms to fill up before sending the cargo, and YouTube videos are also available from here as well. Now if you go back to the top, you will find forms in the menu section. You can choose from one of the forms which you would like to fill. If you want to send your courier from express courier, you can choose this. Similarly, you can choose economy courier, worldwide cargo, form to send cargo anywhere around the world, and import as well, courier form to India, to Nepal, Nigeria. So let's go to one of them. After you click on the form, you need to provide the proper details about the sender and the receiver. The red marks are the mandatory ones, so you cannot leave those sections. Now you need to provide every information asked in the form. You can also add the box and provide the informations about them. And before clicking on send, you need to check some boxes. By clicking these, you accept the terms and conditions and that you read the prohibited items. We will also check those sections in this video. Now let's move to the footer and let's check out the terms and conditions for cargo. Everything is written point-wise in this page. First is fragile items. When it comes to fragile items, we do our best to deliver them safely and securely, but it depends on the shipper because all we do is pack and send and the rest is taken care by the airlines. So we are not responsible for your fragile items. So you must make sure that your items are packed well and you must mark the package as fragile to prevent damage as well. Let's check the packing instructions. It's your responsibility to do secure packing for all of your goods. It can be suitcases, travel bags, but they must lock or cardboard boxes securely covered with tape. And we recommend that you do not use laundry or Jaffa bags as these are not acceptable by the airlines. In case of use, you might need to wrap them with shrink wrap. You can get this shrink wrap or cleanse film on our website shop section as well. Now moving towards the volume weight, as I have mentioned already, there are two weights. One is volumetric and another is actual weight. You can get the volumetric weight of your cargo by using this formula. And for the reduction of volume, I have kept an example here. If a box has a limit of 30 kg but you put only 10 to 12 kg items in that box, then the airline will charge the amount for 30 kgs and not for 10 to 12 kgs. So make sure you pack properly by reducing the volume, and we have kept some tips here as well. Now destination contact details. You must provide the proper destination contact details, because if you want to change those informations later after your items is picked by us, then you should pay extra amount for that. For the customs clearance, it depends upon the conditions and goods. Sometimes you might need to pay for your goods while receiving. The prices may vary as per the goods, so these are not pre-planned. Whatever the duty taxes may be, the receiver will need to pay them. Now the personal effects. Some shipments are duty free in many countries, but you might need to pay ground handling charges for some countries. You can read those as well in our website. Your shipment should be identifiable. Make sure you write the name and address on the box and attach the bill or consignment number on the box. And for the delay in arrival, this doesn't depend upon us as there are some priority lists depending upon the airlines. So sometimes there may be delay in arrival. In that case, there is no other option than just waiting, as if the airlines is full with some other goods like UN goods, government goods, healthcare goods, then there might be delay in the arrival according to the priority list. For the claim and insurance, we do not provide any kind of insurance for your goods. In such cases, we completely rely on the insurance as per the standard rules of the airlines. Next one is dispose of goods. Your goods may get disposed if you fail to pay the storage or invoice charges before the departure of the shipment. And if you want to change the receiver name and other details after the shipment is picked up by us, then the CCF fee is £70. Sending more than one TV is not allowed as it is mentioned here. If you have more than one TV, you need to send in another person's name, and this will be treated as a separate shipment. After reading all of this, if you have more questions, you can contact us through email or our Facebook. Now let's move towards the prohibited items for cargo. At first, you can see what can you send with the cargo. You can send book, clothes, shoes, chocolate, canned food, dry foods, furniture and households, electric stuff, TVs, etc. And there might be many more. For more information, you can contact us. Now these are the prohibited items or dangerous goods you cannot send with the cargo. Make sure you read all the terms and conditions and prohibited items before sending the forms. Here's what you cannot send: lithium batteries, aerosols or gases, flammables, printers, ink and toner cartridges, fuels, paint, tobacco products, miscellaneous dangerous goods like insecticides, weed killers, acids, etc. Now, after reading all of this, as the customer declares that their consignment contains no hazardous or restricted goods, if there are prohibited items or restricted items found in your baggage, then it might get removed or you might need to pay some fines as well. You can also check out the video about it on our YouTube channel. Here's the link provided. At the end of the video, I want to say that there are some things that may change according to time or conditions, like terms and conditions, prohibited items, or the prices as well. So you can check our description for updated informations and even contact us through our email or social media. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like and comment if you want more of such videos.